Hello Virgo, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul vibrational messages. Today I'll be using tarot and pendulum to check on your energetic system called chakras, also known as auras or energetic points in your body. With that said, I wanted to remind you that this is a general energy reading. Virgo, welcome to your season. Thank you so much for being here. Also, this reading is basically based a lot on this full moon, or also known as a blue moon. I wanted to tap into its energy and to see what it can, bring out. And again, happy birthday if your birthday is coming up soon, Virgo. Thank you so much, like I said, for being here. I've premeditated and shuffled on your energy, focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. With that said, move on. Let's move on. I'll give it a few more shuffles just to see if anything else wants to come out for us. Okay, Nine of Pentacles, the Strength, and the Six of Pentacles. Okay, Virgo. This particular message speaks a lot to me about confidence, about knowing. It's about you understanding and getting a hold of your fears. Like you are in a place of very much in control, which is very beautiful. And this particular time is where you mostly should know to be letting go. If it's not, your birthday yet, you should be more in the state of kind of releasing things that are no longer serving you. But I feel you very much in control, not being afraid. I see a lot of energy here for you. However, Spirit is saying just kind of balance, bring in a little bit of balance. Pentacles speak to me about, it's your element. You should know it's your earth element. It's the earth within ourselves. It's our body. It's our material needs. It's our finances. 9 is fruition. It's attainment. It's being fulfilled. And it's showing me this is where you presently are. Right? You're getting a hold of your desires. What is it that you're wanting to do with your life, emotionally, spiritually, physically? The 6 speaks about communication. It's cooperation, and it's very much harmony. But when it comes to Pentacles, it is very much saying generosity. It's being supportive. It's asking for help. It's being it's giving. It's also being grateful for what you do have. I think that with the strength being here, it's like our inner strength. It's our courage to continue doing what you're doing with confidence, overcoming self-doubt. It really wants you to really see that there is a lot of energy here for you. And in this new season, I feel like you're entering into your own season with a bang, okay? You're releasing in a balanced way. I think that everything is just aligning itself for you. This is so beautiful to me. I always see this. It's listen to your intuition. Know that you are in a good place energetically. And it's just a matter of you truly believing it, getting a hold of your fears, understanding, being a master of your own life, bringing in action, just accomplishing whatever you're setting yourself out to do from a pure place, from a place of love within yourself, not only for yourself, but for others too. I see others, So beautiful message, Virgo. I feel this excitement for you. It's so weird. But this is beautiful. I feel this couldn't have been a more perfect message for you. You're really going to be in your season. You're really going to be feeling it all physically, which is beautiful. You're going to be present. Continue to be in your element. Be outside more. Work with plants. And I think that you are definitely gonna, again, continue on doing what you're doing. This season of yours, this full moon, is bringing you a lot of stability and strength and beautiful guidance. So continue being brave. And with that said, I will move on to your chakras. Where else can you give a little bit more light, a little bit more life, more yellow? So let's see. Let's check on your energy points, your energetic system. Okay. Base chakra or root chakra and crown chakra. Yes. Thank you. Okay. So overall, the collected, I've been getting a lot of these too, which is crown is more like your spiritual side, and base or your root is more like your physical, right? I always say that the heart is like both the filter to both your physical and your spiritual. And so in this point, in this case, and just like I said, I think it's for the overall collective, this has been coming in a lot. It really wants you to be in both your physical and your spiritual realm, and you're not the exception, Virgo. Base chakras, it's a color red, and crown chakra is a color purple. Red is connected to your roots, okay, to the connection to earth, your grounding, what makes you feel grounded, your stability, your balance. It's your trust. It's your physical health, nourishment, strength. It's your family, roots, security, survival, what makes you feel safe, prosperity. So wear a lot of red, meditate on the color red, eat a lot of fruits and vegetables that are red and again purple as well. And crown chakra speaks to the connection to the universe. It's your spirituality. It's your awareness, your consciousness, your wisdom. It's the meaning, inner joy, peace, wholeness. I hope that this message resonates with you, Virgo. Thank you so much for being here. Happy birthday. Happy Virgo season. Happy full moon. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Add me to your list. Heart. And again, I thank you so much. Best of vibes to you, Virgo. Thank you. Ciao.